But you're special.
Go!
Oh! I cannot believe he did that.
Alright guys, we are very excited to be here today at sunny Fremont Skate Park.
Where's the park?
Check it out.
It's over there. My name is Aaron Carmen, a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and we are here today with...
Ryan Nigel Jones.
And?
I forgot.
If you ever forget your name, leave it in the comments below. And you guys might remember this little series that we started many years ago called Y'all Making It, We All Gonna Skate on It. Alright? I'll tell you what, we're gonna skate on this board right here. And so somebody sent us this little package here, this parcel. We're gonna open it up.
What does this mean?
It's okay.
Illuminati.
That means that it's 38 inches tall, 8 inches wide, and 6 inches deep, brother.
That was the most science you've ever done.
Yep, and the most math I've ever done. Also,
What are you?
if you guys have an idea,
I'm opening
send us an email, skate@brailleskateboarding.com.
Oh my! I should
One day we're gonna get a live animal in one of these, and he's gonna open it like that, and then it's just
gonna stab it and just hear like.
Do not send a live animal through the mail. Dude, I don't know what it is.
What in the world is this?
Fire.
What in the world is Carmen Sandiego Billet boards?
What is the billet board?
It's not a bullet board, but it's a billet board.
I feel like you can make waffles.
Oh, is that a
Straight
pen? Dibs. Is
there
a? We
there a
just
note?
got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from.
Look at that. It even has built-in grip.
Can I?
To the Braille team, you guys kick beep. My name is Coy Crawford, and I work for a shop called RMI in Blountville, Tennessee. TN, Tennessee, right? Not Texas-ny.
Salami.
We are a small machine shop that makes all kinds of things. I design parts in SolidWorks and program CNC, no idea what that means, machines to cut
CNC machine?
them out using many different kinds of tools.
It's a laser cutter.
Okay.
It pretty much he puts that in like a little layer of water, and it's a water jet little.
Question, can you make us a glass skateboard? Could you, please? I started billet boards and have just made 6 boards so far. 3 personal different ones and a run of 3 that are all the same. This is one of those same boards. It was designed as a cruiser board with big trucks and wheels on them, but this one was assembled with trick wheels as a test board. What does it mean? No.
Laser pointer.
So it's a bit beat up already. I'm sure it's nothing compared to what you guys will do to it. It does pop and flip decent. I'm working on a new double tail design
Oh.
currently. That one would probably be more up your guys' alley. Maybe I can send you one of those if you like this one. The boards are tough as beep and a bit on the heavy side, so watch out if it gets loose.
I'm so upset that this is not a pen, and I thought it was a pen.
What is it?
Oh wow, they sent hardware and everything.
I can't wait to see what you guys
yeah.
think of it. I put the boards up on billetboards.com and instagram.com/billetboards.
Wow.
Shout out to my son, Noah Crawford, my lady, Nikki, Ileana Dax, and the RMI crew. I hope I pronounce everybody's name correctly. You guys are awesome. And thank you for all the hard work that you put into this incredible, amazing, awesome skateboard. This thing's like a work of art.
It does look like made big.
Maybe we shouldn't skate it because we might break it. Made of glass.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna break it.
Kind of hurts your eyes staring at this.
How Uzi lives his life. So I'm confused because he said that it had wheels and stuff, but it don't. But look what we brought.
Wait, did you check everything in the box?
There's nothing else in that. Go ahead, Uzi. Check the box. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? Wow. It even has like the holes for the thing. See how it's like, forget what that's called.
Sunk.
No wheels.
Sunk. There's no wheels, no trucks, but that's okay because we brought them. Right, guys?
Correct.
Oh no. Should we do 2 bolts? 2 bolts? Do I have a vote? I think it messes up the structural integrity with just 2 bolts. And then it might break and people will blame it on 2 bolts. Okay, fine. 2 bolts it is. The people have spoken.
2 bolts.
I feel like we need Doug here to skate this. I will build your house. I will build it. I'm gonna do the silver ones up top. Do I smell a kickflip off coming?
I'll lick your lens.
We're just over here trying to have fun. This isn't for fun. This is for seriousness.
Who are you? Who are you? My name is my name.
All right, check it out. Isn't it a thing of beauty?
Beauty.
I would skate it first, but I don't want to break it. When I look at this, I just see a bullet going into my leg or a knife going into my sternum. What do you see?
I see this and I see those memes of the dog with like choppers going over his head with flashbacks. The mind of Uzi is a very mysterious place.
I know. I have no idea what he's talking about. Over 50% of the
People on the
time.
internet will know. Like this. They'll know.
Dude. It feels literally like a bullet. Like I could be right now riding on a bullet, even though it's actually called billet boards, not bullet boards. Whoa. There's no way it's being kickflipped ever. Did you hear that? Did you hear that noise it made? What? It's freaking me out, Gabe. Dang, dude. You can't look down at it because it blinds you every second. First try, for real?
Yeah, I think you got it.
Okay. All right, Nigel. Kickflip off. Dang, you're first.
Can I ollie first?
Yeah.
My eyes!
Be sure to look directly at it.
So bright. Oh, it kind of feels lighter actually. Okay, okay, this is definitely skatable. Ah! It's slippery though.
My question is though, what kind of metal is this? Aluminium?
Aluminium.
Titanium alloy aluminum.
Really?
No idea.
It's a gold titanium alloy.
Oh, just a kickflip off?
Yep.
Last.
You lost. You big lost.
You lost by lack of presence.
But it's okay.
First try?
So I'm gonna shut it down right here. Okay. It's not very. That just happened. It's not very grippy on top. Kind of making me nervous. But you know what makes me really nervous? The sound it makes. You can be the phoenix. Ah, I'm bleeding from every part of my body.
Remember,
Almost did a
Nigel,
double
nonchalant.
Nonchalant. Oh, too much chalant.
All right, Dan.
I'm gonna do it rolling. No chalant.
Okay, right here for first try. If I land it right here, will you get me a Jamba Juice?
No?
Why? Why are you guys so not drinking of Jamba Juice lately? Well, if I land it right here, will you get me Togos?
No?
If I land it right here, will you give me a high five?
Yeah, maybe.
How can everyone
Five it up, boy! You gotta be like really gentle. Imagine glass skateboard, only worse.
Why is that?
Because it just flips so fast. It's like a unidentified flying object.
Okay. Are you ready?
Go, go, gadget.
The Navy released. Dang, boy.
How can everyone kickflip this but me?
Well, I'll let you answer that on your own there. Video that the Navy released. Whoa! Let's go!
Oh, no.
That's a shin.
Ow! Okay, heel flip this. Let me see if I can shove it in.
Real?
Got him! Who's next? Let's
Shove
go.
it?
I feel
Oh,
like
now it's just a free
you
throw?
got the heel flip.
Heel flip?
Imagine how
All right,
loud-
notification squad. Leave it in the comments below. How many tries does the heel flip take?
Y'all
And
wanna
you will
see me
win.
chop my leg off?
Yeah. Do a 3-flip, Dan.
Ah, it's too bright that direction. I really thought I was gonna lose a foot.
No, physically impossible. No one could heel flip it.
Just a little bit more oomph, and I'm gonna do it. Don't listen to this
Impossible.
guy. I don't know what he's out of his mind.
Impossible. What is wrong with him?
Just stop.
Okay, I'll stop.
You're scaring me.
Ah, I still got one in the eye. Ah, I got another one.
If you guys have a board to send us, skate it at brailleskateboarding.com.
Now I have like just yellow spots everywhere.
Ooh.
Ah, my eyes. Oh.
Land it.
It like just flipped by itself. I didn't even work it. Ah.
This is the one and only board we're not gonna break.
All right, what about varial flip?
What about it?
You could do it.
I'm still on heel flip. I guess I'll give it a couple more tries.
I'm gonna try.
I love you, metal skateboard. You're my favorite thing. Stop rolling. Stop it. Hey, get that shadow. That really
No,
is
wait,
the-
that looks cool. That
no,
looks
no,
cool.
no, I can't. Stop!
It seems like it's
Did
making
we count that?
No.
Let a boy live. We're on a hill.
sense. And it has-
And it has wheels. Wow. It's not coming close to my inner section at all, but I feel like it is. Know what I mean?
Yeah.
If I land it right here, I'll go back to school and get a college education.
Uh-oh.
Dang it, we're not counting
Yeah.
that. Count it. I did it, Gabe!
This board makes me feel like I'm in The Shining. It shine bright, shine light.
Star power.
This board really makes me reflect.
Let's go!
No more flat ground. Let's go somewhere else.
Well, you gave me a list of tricks and then you just cut me off halfway through?
Yeah.
This board really reminds me of my favorite music, metal.
Oh!
Whoa!
It doesn't slide.
Okay, for you, Gabe. Not the most pretty, but it was pretty metal.
You know what we should do? Manual contest.
All right.
This is the
Manual.
starting point. Starting point is right here. As far as you can go that way.
Are you ready?
I am ready. Ready? What are we doing? Oh yeah, manual contest. Go ahead.
How far can you go?
Like 2 or 3 feet. The code!
So I probably made it about 475 feet. About 17 football fields long.
I'm gonna get the low score.
Oh my god!
You ended early too.
Winner! We only needed to go far enough. But it is really hard on this because the board is just flat. There's not like a lot of room to hold it up.
Well, Aaron crushed you with relative ease, so.
I didn't really try, so I'll give him that one.
Shall we go find some spots?
Anyone want to hit the 5? Uzi.
What?
Go hit the 5.
Heck no.
Go ahead.
I'll land and go zoop. Die.
Bye.
Oh, that sound.
That was really scary for me.
Nigel's really
The metal hit you?
Nigel's really sore from sitting on the plane.
Adamantium bones.
I wish.
All right, Dan. He's looking at flowers.
I think it's too slippery for me. Uzi, you could do it!
L7.
What happened?
You gotta go again. I did 2.
I need more friction. I need some grip.
Let's go! I knew we could do it, just like Lance. Remember the Lance ollie?
Yeah.
Classic.
Oh yes, my brain is thinking for you.
What?
I have no idea what you guys are talking about.
It's my turn?
Yep.
You don't need to billet when you can kill it. I don't know what we got here. What do we got? Yes! Dang, I'm really killing this.
Drop in.
Oh! Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Now, hippie jump the chain.
But you're special. Okay, actually,
Oh!
I cannot believe he did that.
That was amazing. Literally amazing. Try to focus it.
What? You want me
You
to?
don't have to.
I feel like my knee was already been hurting, so I don't really want to.
Or did it bend? Did it look bent?
No, not really.
If you guys have a board to send us an email, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Check out all those videos right there. Yes, right there. You can check out those videos. They are awesome. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to skateboard. It is your time. Let's go.